Hello, my students, how are you? Grade 4, how are you? Today self-weekly assessment number 9. Okay, in this year 2026. First question here, first term, about choose the correct answer. What is the number produced by 3 equal 8? We know 8 and 3 equal 3. We use here commutative properties. We must write 8 in the space. 2 times 5 times 7 equal 2 times what times 7? What's the number we would write here? We must write 5. 2 times 5 times 7 equal 2 times 5 times 7. Write 5 here in the space. Answer the following. 23 times 0 equivalent 0. Any number product by 0 equals 0. We called it the properties by product by 0. Next question. Using the associative and commutative property to find the result of 5 times 4 times 7. We can use here 5 product by 4 in brackets. We can use here commutative properties and also associative. Okay, like this. 4 times 5 in brackets times 7. We use here commutative and associative property. Commutative and associative property here. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 7. Write 0 and 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the answer will be 140. Question. Use the decomposing of multiples 10, 100, 1000. Also, associative property finds the result here. Like this question, 5 times 20 equal what? We can solve this by write 5 product by 2 product by 10. Okay, and then we can put brackets here. 5 times 2 10. 10 times 10 is 100. And what about 3 product by 600? We can write 3 times 6 times 100 and then put brackets using associative property. 3 times 6 18. 18 times 100 equal 1800. And 2 times 4000 is equivalent to 2 times 4 times 1000. To brackets 2 times 4 8. 8 times 1000 equal 8000. Next question, letter B. 5 times 7 equals 7 times 5. Write 7 in the brackets. Write 7 here. Next question, number 2. 4 times 5 times 3 equal 4 times what times 3. We must here 5. We need to ask 5 here in this space. 5. Answer the following. 1 product by 245 is 245. Next question. Using the associative property to find the result here is example 5 times 4 times 6. We can put brackets and 4 times 5 20. 20 times 6 equal 120. Put 0 and 2 times 6 12. Next question. Use multiples to find the answer here. About 7 and 30 equal, right? 7 and 30 equal 3 times 10. Put brackets. 7 times 3 equal 21. 21 times 10 it will be 210. 5 product by 600. Write 5 times 6 times 100 and then put brackets. 5 times 6 30. 30 times 100. Write 30 and double 0, then the result will be 3000. Okay, and 5. Okay, 5 now finished. Now question 4. 4 times 7000. Write 4 product by 7 times 1000. And then using here associative property. 4 times 7 28. 28 times 1000 it will be 28,000. What is the number produced by 5 equal 4 times 9 We use here commutative properties. 4 times 9 is equivalent 9 times 4. Choose letter B. 4 times 2 times 6 equal 4 times 1 times 6, 4 times 2. Put 2 here in this place. Find the product. 456 by 0. The result will be 0. Find the result here. 15 times 2 times 6 equal what? We can put brackets here because 2 times 15, twice of 15 here, it will be what? The twice of 15 equal 30. 30 times 6. Write 0 and 3 times 6, 18. Question 3 times 20 is write 3 and 22 times 10. Put brackets here and 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 10, then the answer will be 60. What about 5 times 300? Put 5 times 3 times 100. Put brackets 5 times 3 as 15. 15 times 100. Write 15 and double 0. Then the result will be 1500. Next question. 7 times 12. 2000. We can write 7 and 2000 equal 2 times 1000. Then put brackets using associative properties. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 1000. It will be 14,000. Okay, now I will give you example like this. What about 8 product by 999 product by 125? To solve this question, you must know 8 times 125 is 1000. Then we can use the commutative and associative properties. Write 8 product by 125 and then put brackets 999. 8 times 125 is 1000 times 999. Then the result will be 999 thousandths. And also we can write 2 times 621 times 5. We can write 2 by 5 first. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 621. We use here associative properties. Then put 0 outside. The result will be 6210. And what about this equation? What about 4 times 999 times 25? We must know 4 times 25 is 100. You must know these properties. And then using commutative properties, 4 times 25 times 999, put brackets. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 times 999, and the answer will be 99,900. Okay, you must know these properties.